Uh-oh, she's in the water.
It's cold in the water.
Isn't it supposed to be the other way around?
What?
With the grandkid in the pool and the grandma on the edge? Don't fall. Say, Grandma, don't do that. What are you doing?
I'm going to get the mommy.
There's a bad grandma.
You get away with that camera, I'll get you.
Don't want to break the phone. Are you hungry?